Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. Viewmaster Reel 1, Scene 1.
When King Offer died, a great sword appeared stuck through an anvil embedded in a rock. Anyone able to remove the sword would be rightful king.
Picture 2.
One day Sir Ector was scolding his son Kay. You'll never be a knight loafing about. Take work and go hunting. All right.
Picture 3.
What, you clumsy fool? I told you to stay up in the tree and spot game. Now you made me miss shooting the doe.
Picture 4.
I think I can reach your arrow, Master. It struck this branch hanging over this cottage. I do wish that wolf weren't waiting about.
Picture 5.
Oh my!
Dropping in for tea? I'm Merlin the magician. Who are you?
My name is Arthur, but everyone calls me Wart.
Picture 6.
Well, my boy, as you've only been trained to be a servant, I shall be your tutor. I must speak with your master. Take me to Sir Ector.
Picture 7.
You don't think that I, Merlin, and Archimedes, the world's most learned owl, can tutor what? All right, Colonel the Blizzard.
Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1.
You work very hard, my boy. What with your kitchen duties and squire training? I say, would you like to swim like these fish in the moat?
Picture 2.
One wave of my wand, and we're fish.
I can't seem to swim.
Think like a fish. Wiggle left. All right, that's it. You're swimming.
Picture 3.
Quick, Merlin! Use your magic!
No, son, you're on your own. Use your brain against the pike's brawn as I taught you. I'll stay inside this helmet.
Picture 4.
Merlin! The pike is still after me! I thought I had outwitted him, but... Archimedes, be careful! He'll get you, too!
Picture 5.
I've changed this mark to human form.
That big fish almost got me, but Archimedes scratched it with his claws and saved me.
Pesky pike, I'll turn it into a minnow.
Picture 6.
My boy, I know you marvel at flight and would somehow like to fly. I'm changing you into a sparrow. Harvey,
Picture 7.
Do as I tell you, young fellow. After all, I am a bird. I'll show you how to swoop and soar. I ride the air currents.
Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1.
The winner of the tournament New Year's Day will be proclaimed king. You can win it, Kay. Practice. We'll have you knighted by Christmas. Okay, Dad.
Picture 2.
Knight Kay, will you? He's nearly ready. He can almost hold his own against the practice dummy. All right, then. I knight thee, Sir Kay.
Picture 3.
Here I am, about to become King of England in the Force of Arms contest. My scabbard is empty, you chucklehead. You must have left my sword back at the inn.
Picture 4.
The inn is locked. What sword will Kay use? Perhaps he can use this old sword I see stuck in the stone of this churchyard.
Picture 5.
Can you use this sword?
Why, it's the sword in the stone. Where did you find it?
In a churchyard.
No squirt like work without that sword.
Picture 6.
Now then, son, you replace the sword just as you found it. Someone else wants to pull it out. Anyone can pull it out once it's been loosened.
Picture 7.
Here, let me remove the sword for you.
Why, he's removed the sword. Of course, the someone I expected for tea was King Arthur.
We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up